How to create long videos using Grok AI on your phone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, let's get a story first, and for that we will use ChatGPT. You can follow these steps on your mobile device as well. Simply open up ChatGPT. After that, ask ChatGPT to write a story, or you can also write your story if you want to. Then paste that story over here and then ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for that story and scene by scene. This way you would get the prompts for the images. Now you can also ask ChatGPT to provide these prompts in any particular style. Like in this video we will see how you can create anime style images for your story, and after that you will get scene by scene prompts for these pictures. Simply copy these prompts like the first one and open up Grok. Make sure that you open up Grok on your browser even if you are on mobile device, because there is an option which is not available on the Grok mobile app. So this way we will be able to get the HD videos in the browser. Simply open up browser, search for Grok and turn your browser into the desktop mode on your mobile device. After that, paste the prompt over here that we got from ChatGPT, then click enter. After that, wait for a while until your image is created. Now select any particular image that you like according to your story. This one is cute, so we will select this one. And after that, simply paste the prompt that we got from ChatGPT, the first one, and hit enter. After the video is generated, simply click on the three dots over here and click on this option of upscale video. After your video is upscaled to HD, like you can see it over here, simply download it. Then open up the downloaded video, pause this video and get to the last frame over here. They are running away from each other in the last frame, but we don't want that because that's not according to our story. So as the jump is completed and both of these characters are in the frame, we will take the screenshot. Just do it according to your story. So take the screenshot of the last frame like this way, and after that close this video. Now we can get back and we will simply upload the screenshot that we took and open up ChatGPT and copy the second prompt, and then open up Grok again and paste the second prompt over here and hit enter and wait for it to generate the video. We got the second video, and if we combine the first video with the second one, we will get the smooth results. After that, simply click on the three dots over here, then upscale your video, and after it is turned into HD, simply download it. And after that, just repeat the process, get to the last frame of the video, screenshot it, then upload it on Grok, and then use the third prompt that is there on the ChatGPT. And this way you would be able to combine complete story in one video smoothly. And after you get all these videos, simply use any editing app like KineMaster or CapCut or Premiere Pro or the Final Cut Pro. Any of the editing app will be quite fine, and combine all these video clips together. You can add the background voiceover or the background music and all sort of things. This way you would be able to create a longer video using Grok, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.